Sa Lean Six Sigma, palagi nating sinasabi na mas madaling i-measure, i-analyze at i-improve ang isang proseso kapag malinaw nating nakikita ang buong daloy nito. In this module, himayin natin kung paano natin gagamitin ang process mapping para ma-visualize talaga ang trabaho natin.
Para sa ating agenda, we'll cover 1. Visualizing the process flow, 2. High-level process maps, 3. Process decomposition, 4. Detailed process maps, 5. Swim lane process maps, and 6. Finding the weak links. We're taking the zoom-in approach here, starting from the big picture down to the crucial handoffs.
Section 1. Visualizing the process flow and a cohesive understanding. Let's look at our core visualization tool.
So ano nga ba ang process map? As defined, it's a diagram that provides a visual representation of the process flow or sequence of activities or steps that take place in a process from start to finish. In LSS, setting these process boundaries is absolutely crucial para magkaroon tayo ng cohesive understanding mula umpisa hanggang dulo. Isipin nyo na lang yung GCache verification flow. Right? Kapag na-map yung buong journey ng user from uploading an ID hanggang sa ma-approve, kitang-kita mo agad kung saan naiipit yung proseso. And pro tip, you can literally map this out seamlessly using tools like Microsoft Visio para madaling i-share sa buong team.
Section 2. High-level process maps and the 10,000-foot view. Bago tayo mag-dive deep, let's step back. When we talk about high-level process maps, we're literally looking at that 10,000-foot view. Gusto natin dito 10 or fewer major steps lang para we avoid busy messes. Start-to-finish scope lang talaga. Isipin nyo na lang yung isang Jollibee drive-thru. Sa ganitong level, order taking, payment at food release lang ang tinitigman natin, di ba? Wala mo nang nitty-gritty details kung ilang minuto piniprito yung manok. The operational impact here is instant clarity for everyone involved. Here's a very simple example of a doctor's visit. Step 1, check in. Step 2, see the doctor. Step 3, check out and pay. Boom, that's it. It's super basic, but the whole team quickly grasps the end-to-end process without getting overwhelmed.
Section 3. Process decomposition and drilling down for granularity. Paano kung kailangan na nating himayin ang detalye?
Notice the huge difference between a bird's eye view, which has broad strokes and major steps, versus the nitty-gritty detail kung saan nandun yung granularity, decisions, rework loops, delays, and bottlenecks. Kapag yung isang major step natin sa high-level view ay nagiging source ng problema, we use what we call process decomposition. We intentionally break that single block down into highly detailed individual maps para makita kung saan talaga nakatago ang bottleneck.
Section 4. Detailed process maps and the nitty-gritty reality. Dito na natin titingnan ang totoong nangyayari sa operations. Ngayon, sa detailed process maps, kailangan na natin ng sufficient granularity. We need to map all the decisions and workarounds, pati na rin the delays and rework loops para makapture yung eksaktong as-is current state. Sa isang complex BPO escalation process, for example, hindi pwedeng sabing lang na transfer to Tier 2. No way! Kailangan nating i-map kung paano ba nila chinecheck yung knowledge base o kung ilang minuto silang naka-hold waiting for a supervisor's approval. That's exactly where we catch the real causes ng delays.
And please, always remember this golden rule. Map the process as it is currently, not what it should be. Kailangan maging brutal at honest tayo sa as-is current state para makahanap ang project team ng totoong opportunities for improvement. Actually, you can even leverage Microsoft Copilot right here. Just feed it your documented process steps and have it instantly analyze and suggest process gaps na kailangan ninyong tutukan.
Section 5. Swim lane process maps and the cross-functional view. Ano mangyayari kapag marami ng departments ang involved?
Imagine an Olympic swimming pool. Ikaw nasa isang lane tapos si Michael Phelps nasa kabila. That's exactly how swim lane process maps, also called deployment maps, work. Ginagamit natin ito kapag multiple departments na ang involved for cross-functional deployment kasi it gives us crystal clear responsibility allocation. Sa isang local logistics hub, may isang lane for sorting, isang lane for dispatch, at sariling lane para sa mga delivery riders. With this, walang lituhan kung sino ang may hawak ng bola sa bawat step ng operasyon.
Applying that to our earlier doctor's visit example, makikita natin na the process is divided into 3 clear lanes. Yung office staff handles check-in and check-out. Yung nurse takes care of rooming and vitals. Tapos ang doctor is strictly for examination and diagnosis. Visually, napakalinaw. Walang pwede magdahilan na hindi ko alam na trabaho ko pala yan kasi the cross-functional map explicitly allocates the responsibility to everyone.
Section 6. Finding the weak links and the power of handoffs. Bakit ba tayo nag-allocate sa iba't ibang lanes? The real answer lies in spotting the handoffs. Handoffs are the weak links in a process where things fall through the cracks due to miscommunication between departments, resulting in delays, mistakes, and defects. Imagine a logistics warehouse na nagpapasa ng mga parcels sa delivery drivers nang walang clear turnover process. Pag may nawala, panigurado magtuturuan yan. Those miscommunications during handoffs, they cause severe operational impacts at malalang customer defects.
When we analyze these weak links visually, ang main goals natin are to identify miscommunications, spot process delays, prevent hidden defects, and ensure a shared understanding across the board. In fact, kapag nakita na natin yung highly repetitive manual handoffs sa mapa natin, we can easily build automated workflows using Microsoft Power Automate para tuluyan nang i-eliminate yung manual passing of tasks between lanes.
So I leave you with this simple but powerful question. How can you improve what you cannot see? Ang pag-visualize ng inyong process map ang pinakamahalagang unang hakbang para talagang makita at maayos ang mga inefficiencies. Start visually mapping your operations today, catch every single handoff, and start driving real improvements sa team ninyo.